Hey, I'm Elliot, and this is the Everything Elliot YouTube channel.
Ooh, a little chilly outside. So, today's video, we're gonna show you how to replace the motor on a skid steer driven, no, how do I wanna say this? Hydraulic driven rototiller? Goes on the front of a skid steer. So I got it parked outside, got my tractor outside running. We're gonna go get it, bring it in the shop, gotta take the motor off of it and replace it. Well, we gotta take the motor off of it and then send the motor in, and they're gonna send us a new motor under warranty. So I guess all we're gonna do today is take the motor off of it and then park it back outside and wait for the new motor, and I guess the new motor will be a new video. So all right, let's go get it in the shop. Oh, it is drastically snowing outside. There's the old girl running right there. Oof. Live in Western New York, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Let me get your tripod set up here. Well, it's in the shop, so take the motor off of it. The motor is buried under snow over here, so wait a minute. I got an idea. There's no snow left on there. Alright, so it looks like we have some fairly large Allen bolts to take out here. So I'm gonna pull my socket set out and pull the Allen set out, and we'll take this motor off. So I do have to confess, I have taken this off before. We had to take it off to diagnose the problem. The company wanted pictures of what was the issue, so it's these 4 bolts, which I am going to have to get a wrench on underneath, and then there's 2 fittings up here. So we'll get these 4 bolts out first, and then we'll work on the fittings. Well, probably would be helpful if I went the correct way. Let's try this again. Got to get these hydraulic lines off now. So looks to be pretty simple. This is a union and just a 90-degree elbow. Be able to grab a wrench this size, unscrew that while we're holding this, and same thing on the bottom. Alright, let's see what happens here. There we go. See a little back and forth. So this motor might be pretty tight on here. You might have to just give it a little hit with a rubber hammer or something like that. So we'll grab a dead blow hammer and give this a knock or two. Bring it off. Oh, she's on there. So you can see the way that it spins. So it spins freely, but it doesn't want to come up. So that leads me to believe that we're going to have to put something in there and give it a little tap to split it. Just like that. That's all it needed was a little breaker bar. Let's see if I can get it out of here now. It's so slippery. It's got all hydraulic fluid on it now. There it is. All right. She's out. And this keyway is pretty well destroyed, as you can see there. So that's the reason for the failure of this motor. There's part of the keyway. So we'll give you a look in there. As you can see, all that material that's inside there, that's all the key material. That key fits in this slot here, this keyway, and then the keyway on the motor. Well, what happened was the key obviously blew up, and then that material, all that's left of it. So the motor needs to be sent back, and the motor's going to get replaced. So now that the motor's off, we can send it back. They're going to send a new one under warranty, so we can put it back on there. If you're wondering, this is not my rototiller. This obviously is made for a skid steer, not a tractor. I do have a rototiller, but it goes on the back of my tractor. This is a buddy of mine's. He said he needed a hand. I figure I'd give him a hand. So that's how you remove the motor off of a skid steer implement. A lot of implements are going to be the same. All right, guys, thanks for watching today's video. And don't forget to tune in for part 2 where we put the new motor back on. Thanks, and have a great day.